Hello everybody, let's go for AutoCAD practice 10, and this is the object that we are going to make or draw. Now let's begin. So at first delete this one, okay, and now we'll make this one. So for this one, select line, and from this point draw one line. The length will be 30 millimeter, and then vertical line 18 millimeter, horizontal line it will be 12 millimeter, and again vertical line it will be 8 millimeter, again horizontal line it will be 28 millimeter. Now vertical line 9 millimeter, now horizontal line 20 millimeter, vertical line 26 millimeter, now horizontal line 20 millimeter, now vertical line 9 millimeter, horizontal line now 28 millimeter, now vertical line 8 millimeter, horizontal line 12 millimeter, again vertical line 18 millimeter, horizontal line 30 millimeter, vertical line 24 millimeter, horizontal line 12 millimeter, vertical line 16 millimeter, horizontal line 12 millimeter, and vertical line 24 millimeter. Enter. So this is our object. Now let's put the dimensions. So for this one, select linear. So from this point to this point it is 30 millimeter. Right button click and repeat. This point to this point it is 18 millimeter. Right button, repeat. This point to this point it is 12 millimeter. Right button, repeat. Now this point to this point it is 8 millimeter. Right button, repeat. This button to this point it is 28 millimeter. Right button, repeat. So this point to this point it is 20 millimeter. Right button, repeat. This point to this point it is 26 millimeter. Okay, now repeat. This point to this point it is 24. Right button, repeat. This point to this point it is 12. Right button, repeat. And this point to this point it is 16. Now all the dimensions are given now, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.